今天通过three important expressions，三个重要的表达 ：what to get, where to go, how to use. What to get, where to go, how to use. 我们常常用这样 WH 加 to 动词。Emma wanted to buy a birthday gift for her dad, but she didn't know what to get. Emma 想买她的爸爸的birthday gift，可是她不知道买什么。So what to get? What to get? 很容易说的表达。She asked her little brother, "Do you know where to go for cool gifts? Do you know where to go for cool gifts?" Emma 问她的弟弟，"Do you know where to go for cool gifts?" 你知道哪里去买很好的 gift? He smiled and said, "Yes, let's go to the store together." At the store, Emma found a funny toaster, but she didn't know how to use it. Emma 一起他们去了买东西，可是Emma 碰到好 toaster，可是她不知道怎么用 how to use it. She didn't know how to use it. So today studied what to get, where to go, how to use. Thank you. Bye bye.